Yes, I welcome everyone once again on our platform. Please, if you are new to our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell such that every time we upload our videos, you are the first person to watch. Please, if at all you are having any query, any question you would like to put before us, put it in the comment section, and we assure you that we shall be answering each and every question. Let us start. Yes, I have come all along trying to teach you people what is needed to start a goat farming business. Now, this farm is in Kamuli district, and our farmer here wanted to start with some few goats, but we had to plan for his farm and see that we make a standard structure for him, an exercising ground. We also planned of planting some pastures for his animals. I have come all along trying to teach you and lecture you about some aspects you farmers you must put in place to say that your farm is going to progress successfully. And now when you see this structure, this kind of a structure, it is something that going to ease the management at the farm. It will enable people to go under it and clean very well, and it is going to be dry all the time. Now this is the exercising ground. We gave it an ample space for them, but we shall be removing some parts of the trees and clearing the ground such that the goats can have enough space for exercising. Please watch the whole video and you will see what your farm is missing. Anything, I know you will get something to learn and to improve at your farm. These guys, we are trying to remove everything we are doing at this land inside the exercising ground, such that everything is left for our goats to be playing from that side. Yeah, that is the gate where you can pass to go into the exercising ground and have access to our goats. So you watch until the end. Thank you very much. I wish you a good time on this video. Please, I also tell you about the program that we are going to open up very soon of teaching all those people who want to join this business of goat farming. So stay tuned, follow our social media platform. after planting pastures, putting better facilities at the farm, like the structures and whatever, the exercising ground. Another thing that is very important at your farm, that is to bring good genetics at your farm in order to yield very much. Now that is one of the savannah. She's making 1 year, but if at all you can lift her up, she's very heavy. Yeah, so you can bring in a back that will improve on your genetics, and you see that you produce quality animals. For that, that means that your farm will definitely prosper very highly. Thank you very much. That is the back. He is not even making a year, just 9 months, but very heavy and very active. Yeah,